Okay, so today I wanted to do a quick video on massaging your TFL and a little bit of your glute main, glute med. Tennis ball, I need to do this for a client as I still haven't got around to doing this for some reason, despite giving it to loads and loads of people. So your TFL is a muscle that if you look where your hip bone is, so you've got your hip bone here, and then you've got the top of your pelvis up here, and it's in between there, so that's where you're looking at. So it's on the side, and that's where you're looking at. So any problems with IT band, so your IT band actually attaches into your TFL, so if your IT band actually feels tight, it's probably more to do with your TFL being tight as opposed to your IT band. So what you're going to do is from here, you're actually going to lie on the side. Tennis ball is just going to go again just above the hip bone, and then we're going to roll over onto the side, and I'm going to take my top leg on top so I can adjust, and then I'm going to roll forwards and back, up and down, and see what I can find. Yay! So as usual, you're looking for something that's a little bit uncomfortable. 6, 7, 8 out of 10 very maximum, and when you find something, hold, slow your breathing down, keep breathing, and then it should start to drop. So the intensity should start to drop down and it should start to ease off. So from there you can then go looking elsewhere to see if you can find anything. The other thing you can do from here is you can rock in forwards and back, or milk the actual muscle, see what you can find. And if you want to, if you find something, what you can do is you can actually start to move the bottom leg at the same time as well, so a bit of soft tissue release. And while you're here, you can then carry on turning over slightly, and again seeing what else you can find around that edge of the top of your pelvis. So sort of glute min area, glute medius, and see if there's any problem areas for you. So again, if you start on your side, get the top of your hip bone, between the top of your hip bone and your pelvis, the fleshy part there on the side, place a tennis ball on, roll over onto it, and then it's for you to go and explore and see what you can find. So that's soft tissue release for your TFL, glute min and glute med as well.